Hello, Asta here and welcome to today's video. So today I will be doing this festive makeup look and I'll be using my bPerfect and Jah CLIENTELE palettes to achieve this look. Christmas season is approaching real quickly. Maybe this will give you some ideas or inspire you and you will recreate this look. So without further ado, if you want to see how I achieved it, just keep on watching. So I have my eyelids prepped already, and as always I'm starting with the big fluffy brush and taking some transition shade which is called Sandy from the palette and applying that into my crease, and I'm doing it quite high into my crease and just doing circular motions inwards and outwards. Then I'm switching to a smaller brush, and this one is Mark 221, and I'm taking color Too Much from the palette, and now I'm going to apply this color just on the outer part of my eye, so in the outer V. I'm then using the same color and just applying a little bit underneath my lower lash line. And just doing it kind of halfway through. Once I'm happy how the intensity of this eyeshadow looks, I'm just taking the colors Loki and Lux and just using those two mixed and applying that with my finger on top of my eyelid. And I'm bringing them quite high up into my crease. So then I'm kind of spritzing my flat synthetic brush with some finishing spray, so it's kind of nice and wet, and I'm just dipping that brush straight into the color Lux and just applying that on top. So just want to get more intensity and more shine out of this eyeshadow. And then I'm taking the same colors and applying them on the lower lash line. I'm taking a brown kohl pencil and applying that on the top lash line and then smudging out. So next I'm gonna use a little bit of the white eye pencil and just apply that into my waterline. And then I'm taking the same brown pencil and just applying that in the outer part of my waterline. And slightly smudging that out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. That will help my channel to grow, and I will see you all in my next video.